the front post double crochet. To start, we make a slip knot. Now we chain 5. After the initial 5, chain 3 more. This acts as your first double crochet. Once you make those the last 3 chains, double crochet into the 4th chain from hook. Continue making double crochets down the row. When you are done with the row, there should be 6 double crochets, including the beginning chain 3. Chain 3 and turn your work. Now, for a post stitch, do not go into the top of the stitch. You go into the work. So yarn over and go around the post of the stitch. Grab your yarn, bring up a loop, pull through 2, and pull through 2. That is your first front post double crochet. Again, wrap your yarn, go into the post of the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Do not forget the very last stitch. It will look like you're done, but you actually have one more left. Chain 3. And turn your work, and when you turn, you will notice that you have this horizontal bar. This is what was created when you did the post stitch. It creates a unique ribbing effect and is great to add texture into your work. Continue making another row of front post double crochet. As you can see, this is the type of stitch that would probably be used to make the ribbing of a knit cap that we tend to wear in winter. And the longer you make this, the more the ribs will appear in your work. As you can see, the longer you go, the more ribs that appear, and it creates a very unique texture and feel to your crochet work. Thank you for watching.